Hey guys, something went wrong with my last recording. I don't know what happened. So I'm gonna try to do this again. I will be reviewing my Combiner Wars collection. For starters, I will be showing off a breakdown. This is breakdown. It's got a great sword. It can also be a turn around right. Gun. And a hand-foot gun. It can be held also. And yeah, so as a sword, you can swing it. It's got good articulation in the arms. A hinge, the ball joint on the top. So let's put this down. Just for now. Shoulder, elbow, a hinge at the top of the elbow. Hang on. Yeah, a hinge at the top of the elbow, and a ball joint at the bottom. A hinge at the top of the elbow and a ball joint at the bottom that locks it. You can use the hinge to lock the arm. So yeah, for transformation, we've got this. Take out his sword. Ouch. Take out all of his weapons, of course. Pull down his arms and fold them up so the fist meets the shoulder. Fist meets shoulder. Shoulders go down. Oh, wow. That was a noise. And shoulders go down like that. And that'll free up his chest. And you can turn this so that it has more clearance. Turn his head so that it has more clearance and gets past this hole. Push up the hood like that. Push up the chest like so. I guess you gotta do that first. Then push his head behind this peg hole. And here is his arm mode. And I'll fix his hand with my trusty pocket knife. Put your flat dull blade, be careful, be very careful, and go in here and release his forefingers and bring his thumb up like so, and that is rotate 180, and that is left arm mode with, and here he is holding his dagger, holding Menassor's dagger. Very nice. Oh, I forgot to put that up too. Pull this back, pull this back. Use the tab to flip it up, and there you go. Put it back, and there you go. And there he is holding his dagger in left arm mode. And here, come apart on me, come apart on me. There we go. We can go like this as well. There. And put his dagger on the other side. And there he is in right arm mode holding his dagger. To go to car mode, take everything out, collapse up his feet like so, turn that around, collapse his combiner peg, snap his hood down, and collapse his legs in and tab them into the car like so. Collapse his legs and tab them into the car like so. Make sure his, well, that hasn't happened yet. There. I've had to straighten out this side panel here. Side door. There we go. There we go. Tab everything in, bring up the spoiler, and there it is. Nice colored Lamborghini-ish type car. And here, if you want, you can put the engine up like this. Let's tab it in like that, and snap it in to the top of the car. Those tabs on the top of the car, like that. Tab it and close it down. Come on. Ah, ooh. There we go. There we go. There we go. Finally cooperating. And then you can put his sword on the right, on the either side, but I like it on the right side, on the left side, the driver's side. Driver's side in America, anyway. There we go. It'll slice you in traffic, pass you on the right as if it was legal. What do Stunticons know about the law? Go right there you go. Like, slice you on the way. And then really fast back into robot mode. Go like that, like that. Unhinge his legs and tab them into the tabs at the bottom. Bring down the feet, the spoiler for the heel support. Bring this part, the windshield back, the hood back. Come back and bring back his chest, and bring it there. Turn his head 180, and his arms. I'm really sorry about if I seem impatient. This is like the 4th or 5th time I've done this without, and then stopped or interrupted, or something's wrong with my computer, or there. And there he is with the sword. So I'm sorry. I'm just in kind of a short mood. I like to have his peg on his forearm so that it's not so conspicuous. But if you have it like this, you can have your blade facing his enemy. There we go. Like that. So yeah. And I don't know if I mentioned it, but here he is with his engine on his back. But I don't really care for that for him. It's cool for Sunstreaker, but I don't plan on getting Sunstreaker, so I'm keeping it in his hand. Ah, get in there. Get in there. Get in there. There. He's in. There we go. That, friends and neighbors, is Breakdown. Here we have Air Raid. Arm cannon. I like to use his cannon, double barrel cannon, as an arm cannon. Fusion cannon. We're going to take that off. It's got great articulation at the top of the shoulder and a hinged elbow. Hinged elbow. And you can have his wings up, down, or up. I like him down because it looks like he's wearing a trench coat. Matrix style. I like to think of it as Matrix style. Transformers Matrix crossover. That'd be cool, actually. So for transformation, you turn his head around 180, bring his backpack back, flip up his cockpit like so. His arms go down like that. His wings stay up like that for now. Peg together his legs and oh, I forgot for him we gotta go arm mode. We're going to arm mode here. So make sure his legs stay together. Push his cockpit back up. And for his hand, go like that. Oh, wrong hand. Flip the thumb the other way for this arm. And then just go like that. It's a nice arm. But for his sake, I like arm? I just messed up. Arm. Peg his wrists into his backpack. Peg his wrists into his backpack before you consider him an arm. There you go. Seems like I did this in one take before. I sort of messed up his arm. There you go. And where did I have this? Okay. Over here, you put his arm cannon. And that's a complete arm. Complete right arm. Complete right arm. And go to leg. Straighten out his waist, his torso. Pop up his combiner peg like so. Turn his head around right. Turn his head around correctly. Push his combiner peg. That sounds like it's breaking. It feels like it's breaking, but it's not. I know it's not. Oops. Collapse his leg as if he's going to plane mode, which we will soon. Oh, come on. Collapse his leg like so. can't see that real well, can you? Open that, collapse it in, and then close it, bring his arms down, shoulders down, shoulders down, up, rescue his head, I forgot to do that, there we go, dang that's loud, turn it around the other way, watch me break it on camera, and pray I don't, there we go. Did I show leg mode? But this is me. So, oh, leg, turn his hand into a foot by tucking in the forefingers and doing that. And there we go. Leg mode. You can tuck that in if you want. So, yeah, leg mode. So, in robot mode, pull down the legs, pull them up, pull the combiner pegs down, pull them up, bring up his head, and there. We have him in robot. He's gone back. Ooh, excuse me. There. Air raid. Really cool bot. Tail fins. I like to have his tail fins out like that because they extend his cape. So there we go. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hey guys, so earlier when I was doing my breakdown video, I forgot to show off how to put him in leg mode. So I've already done a 3 out of 4 mode review. So I'll take him to leg mode in this video. Here he is in car mode. So to take him to leg mode, you flip up the windshield, flip up the front of the car, flip up the minor peg, and basically just tack on the foot. So there you go. Here he is in leg mode. And let's see, where did I have it? And there he is with the dagger. Yep. With the dagger in place. The sword. That's his foot mode. So since I forgot that, I thought I better do it. So there is my review of Breakdown. Hope you enjoyed it. Sorry that I forgot this. See you later.